Hello, welcome to Simple Math. In this video, I will explain uh, two things. I will explain perimeter and then I will explain area for the rectangles. Remember, one of the main properties of the rectangles is that the opposite sides are the same. So if this is 3, the opposite side is this one is also 3. If this is 12, the opposite side is also 12. I want you to bear that in mind. So we can say, let's change the color. We can say that this is also 12. Yes, this is 12 centimeters. And then say that this is also 3 centimeters, right? 3 centimeters. I want to bear that in mind, keep in your mind in all the rectangles or all the rectangles that you have to come up with a solution or you have to solve an exercise about it. All right. Um, so let's start calculating the perimeter, which is the easiest concept. The perimeter is the addition of all the sides. So let's write the perimeter. The perimeter is equal to, yes, 12 plus 3 plus 12 plus 3. If you add 12 plus 3 is 15, and the other 15 is 30. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 30 centimeters. Okay, 30 centimeters. The area, what happened with the area? The area of a rectangle, is base times height. The base is this and the height is this. In other words, we have to multiply 12 centimeters, yes, times 3 centimeters. Well, 12 times 3 is 36 centimeters, times centimeters squared, or centimeters exponent 2. So 12 times 3 is 36 centimeters squared. That's the perimeter and the area for the first rectangle. Let's start speaking about another concept, which is shaded area. What is shaded area? Shaded area is the area that you see here that is in blue. It's like, imagine you have a cake and then you cut a piece of cake and you remove that piece of cake. The same situation happens here. Imagine this is the cake, yes, the big rectangle, and the piece or the slice we're gonna cut is the small rectangle. So if we cut and we remove that, what we have after that is what we call shaded area, which is the blue part. In math, how do we calculate the shaded area? Well, we calculate the area of the big plane shade, and then we subtract the area of the small uh, plane shade, which is the small rectangle in this case. So let's apply that. The instruction is get the shaded area and of course the perimeter. But in this case, let's focus in the shaded area. So the shaded area is, let's calculate, of the big rectangle is, so let's calculate the area of the big rectangle. Let's call the area AB, which is the big area or the area of the big rectangle, is equal to base times height. Is the same formula. The base is 8, the height is 5. So we have 8 centimeters times 5, 5 centimeters. 8 times 5 is 40, so the area of the big rectangle is 40 centimeters squared. Centimeters and centimeters squared. So now let's calculate the area of the small rectangle. This is the area of the big rectangle, then calculate the area of the small rectangle. So the area of the small rectangle, let's call A S, is the same formula, base times height, and then the base, look at the base, is 3, 3 centimeters times the height. But what is the height? 2 centimeters times 2 centimeters. So what is the area of this small rectangle? 3 times 2 equals 6 centimeters square. Now, remember what is shaded area, which is finally the question we have. What is the shaded area? Sorry, give me a while. Shaded area. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, I think. Let me move this a little bit. Give me a while. Okay, what is the shaded area of the whole shade? So we need to subtract. The area of the big one, which is this. Yes, the area of the big one, which is 40, minus the area of the small plane shape, which is this. So the shaded area. Sorry. The shaded area. Oops, I have technical problems here. Give me a while. The shaded area is, I'm going to change the color, is 40 centimeters square. Yes, 40 centimeters square minus 6 centimeters square. And that is 34 centimeters square. And that's finally, guys, the shaded area, 34 centimeters square. All right, now I will invite you to solve an exercise um, based on this explanation, and the exercise is going to be about shaded area. All right, so thanks again for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. Do not forget to solve the exercise. Bye bye.